XC series agricultural drone. The Z-shaped foldable design makes transportation and transitioning between different working areas easy for users. Powered by GE's professional agricultural flight controller, K++V2, the XC series drone can work in autonomous and semi-autonomous modes, making it suitable for various crop and food trade applications. Additionally, the XC series drone is equipped with optimal forward and rear obstacle avoidance radars, enabling effortless collision avoidance. With a standard equipped automated radar, the XC series drone maintains a consistent altitude and precise work on uneven terrain, slopes, and other challenging landscapes. Smart with its high-precision dual antenna navigation module, the XC series can work stably even in strong magnetic fields, eliminating up to 50% of safety issues. Furthermore, the XC drone does not require repeated calibration in the field, greatly enhancing the user experience. The XC series drone has LED spotlights in front as standard, providing sufficient light for night operations, and the integrated camera allows pilots to stay informed about the working environment through the images displayed on the handheld remote controller screen. The XC series drone has a lightweight design, enabling the XC30 model to work with a 14S 22,000 mAh battery per flight, which is extremely price-friendly and reduces usage and maintenance costs. The XC series drone also comes with an ultrasonic flow meter for more accurate calculations on spraying and a weighing module for timely warnings on spreading. The intelligent centrifugal nozzles provide powerful automation and fine droplets for crops and fruit trees. The XC series drone is efficient in replenishing with solid fertilizers, granular fertilizers, seeds, and soils through a large lid and works homogeneously with the XC series drone spreading system. The high-resolution remote controller allows for 1.5 km image transmission, and an RTK base station is optional. With a big data management platform on PC, your farm can become modern and intelligent. Using the XC16 or XC30 to spray crops or fruit trees is not only affordable but also reduces usage costs.